Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Perplexity AI loading issues. So first you need to make sure your internet connection is working properly. If it isn't, then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try opening the Perplexity app again. After that, refresh the page or completely close and reopen the Perplexity app. And if you're using a web browser, clear your web cache and cookies or try another web browser. Then next thing you can do is update the Perplexity app if you're using the mobile version. And if you're connected through a VPN or proxy, then try disabling it temporarily and then try again. And if it still doesn't work, try restarting your phone or computer and reopen Perplexity. If Perplexity is experiencing a server outage, you'll simply need to wait until the service is restored. Then finally, if the problem continues, contact Perplexity support for additional assistance. So that was how to fix Perplexity AI loading issues. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.